Can I reach a payment agreement with the IRS without having filed taxes in the previous years?
No. You have to file your taxes. Even though you are not able to pay the debt, you have to file taxes. You have to file your taxes and the taxes of the company.
Wow.
If you don't file taxes, and there are forms filed for you, like 1099 forms. 1099 forms are the forms that when contractors pay you, when companies pay you, an LLC or an S corporation, some companies or most of them will send you a 1099 for the payments through the year, the total of the payments through the year that they have given you, and they find out with ARS. It's called a 1099. If there are 1099s for the company, and then the company is an LLC or an S corporation, and you are the owner of that S corporation, if you are one of the partners or one of the owners, the IRS will file a report for you personally and will give any the amount of income that the IRS has on file will be used to create a tax return and give you and create a tax debt for you. So better that you comply with filing every single year.